Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into BMO Harris Bank using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss a future update from us. Grab your mobile device and go to your web browser and tap it on. In the address bar at the top, type in www.bmoharris.com and make your search. You'll be taken to the official website of BMO Harris Bank, which looks like this. At the upper right-hand corner, tap on the Sign In button and select your account type from the options. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login area for BMO Harris Bank, which looks like this. Head over to the first text box where it says Use Your ID and type in your valid user ID. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can tap on this Forgot User ID link and follow the instructions. Now, type in your password on the next field. If you'd like to double check your password, you can tap on this little show icon at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions in order to reset to a new one. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, then you can enable this button right next to Remember Me so that you won't have to type in your user ID next time. But if you're using a public computer or a shared device, make sure to disable this button. If you've not enrolled for online banking yet and you'd like to do so, tap on this register button and follow the instructions. Finally, after everything's typed in, tap on Sign In and you'll be able to log into your online banking account for BMO Harris Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.